Hello everyone, this is our next video of Fortinet NSC4 series, and this video we will discuss security fabric, and this video will be a theory part. We'll understand that what is security fabric, why it is needed on the Fortinet devices. So let's begin the video. The first topic would be the what is Fortinet security fabric. So an enterprise solution that enables a holistic approach to network security where the network landscape is visible through a single console and all network devices are integrated to a centrally managed and automated defense. Means that all network devices should be connected to your centrally managed device, so that we have the large scale visibility of all network devices which is present our infrastructure. So we have one like you can see this image, like fabric management center, network access, WLAN, endpoint, security operations, applications, cloud infrastructures, they are connected with the NGFW SD-WAN. So the what is security fabric? So security fabric means that the combination of all devices which is present on our network infrastructure and connect all devices to a centrally managed device known as the security fabric on Fortinet. So in the security fabric we have three attributes: broad, integrated and automated. So basically that API allows for third party integration, means that the devices which is from the different vendors we can connect using the API integration tools. So why we need a security fabric? Many administrators lack of visibility into their network defense, making their network more undetected. Network implementation, network complexity and sophisticated malware enhanced by AI and necessities centralized and holistic approach to a security. Means that it is needed because of the network defense, so that we can protect our network, and network complexity and sophisticated malware enhanced by AI. So basically we will basically that Fortinet will use their enhanced AI mechanism tool to enhance their security infrastructure, and centralized approach for centralized and holistic approach to a security devices. So in short, the main focus of is the first thing to network defense, second thing is the visibility, third thing is the complexity and sophistication which we have that network environment, we can control that thing also. So we can see that this is the one of network engineer and he is currently have visibility. Means that some of the devices which is don't have the visibility if we are not using the security fabric provided by the Fortinet. The fact that this company has developed security solution from multiple vendors means that in example the security admins has limited line of sight to a overall network. Means that this is the public cloud don't have full visibility, virtual LAN don't have full visibility, to the WLAN don't have full visibility. So in the total private network there are many segmentation is there, so don't have full visibility to the network engineer. So that is the reason the security fabric is needed. So security fabric components would be, what are the security fabric components? So these are the security fabric component: the Fortinet NAC, FortiNAC, FortiClient, Forti Authenticator, FortiAP switch, FortiGate. So these are basically FortiGate services which is available on the appliances, virtual machines, cloud, security as a service and software. So these are some FortiGate fabric products. So the next slide will be the devices that compares the security fabric. So first thing is core. FortiGate devices are core, one root and one or more downstream. So root, we know that we in the FortiGate we have that root level access, and we also known as the root domain. So this is the more like core component of the Fortinet. At least one of the FortiAnalyzer and FortiAnalyzer cloud or FortiGate cloud. So these are the downstream, means that the devices who will generate the logs, and this FortiAnalyzer who will receive the logs which is generated by a FortiGuard. means that FortiGate firewall, and they will FortiGate firewall will generate the logs, they will send to the analyzer, so that we have that full visibility of all FortiGate devices. And recommended adds significant visibility or control. So Forti Manager, Forti AP, Forti Switch, Forti Client, Forti EMS, Forti Sandbox, these are the other products of Fortinet. And extended integrated with the security fabric, but may not apply to everyone. Other Fortinet products, third party products using API we can connect it. So core, recommended and extended. So this is one of the example. This is the Forti analyzer, and these three are the external ISW, means that FortiGate firewalls. So those are FortiGate firewalls are connected to Forti analyzer, and if you logged in this Forti analyzer, so you will have access of logs of all FortiGate devices, means that whatever logs present on this FortiGate, we have visibility on the Forti analyzer. So this is an example of a simple network using core component of the security fabric. There are three internal segmentation of firewalls, ISWs, that are segregated with the WAN into logical components and allow your network to contain a threat should a breach occur. And this is Forti analyzer. There is a Forti analyzer and one next generation firewall. This FortiGate is configured as a root firewall. In this example, the alias of FortiGate is the external. So those are connected, and there are steps to connect your Forti analyzer and FortiGate. The first thing is you have to enable the security fabric role on the interfaces, and then on the Forti analyzer you have to define the server, and once it will show the connection state is connected. After the connection and real time, this is the verify of Forti analyzer VM, and on the FortiGate side port 3, and there is a interface setting security fabric connection which is enabled. So there like it's as simple as that. You have to enable the security fabric, and there is an option on FortiGate firewall on the security fabric section where you have to define the Forti analyzer IP addresses or serial number, and after that, if the reachability is fine, then both devices will be, if both devices are reachable, connectivity is fine, then they will connect to each other. After connection, that Forti analyzer having the all logs which is present on downstream FortiGate and root FortiGate, and this is what Forti analyzer who is collecting all logs of the FortiGate firewall. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.